This is not a viral video. This is a revival story. Just 10 days ago, my channel was a ghost town. No likes, no views, no comments, no growth. I was stuck in the YouTube purgatory where every upload was feeling like a shouting into a void. But in just 7 days, everything changed. 47k plus views, new subscriber, and the content system that is printing growth and just attracting views daily. I didn't go viral by luck, but I followed a repeatable system with no camera, no editing team, and no second chances. And now, today I am going to show you exactly how I revived my dead channel from scratch so that you can do it too. And also I am going to reveal the top 3 secrets of how you can revive any of your dead channel just following my strategy. See, the strategy was very clear. Let's go with the secret one. It was all about uploading in a perfect section. Yes, you heard it right. So, as I wanted to revive my channel, I had 2 options, right? Which was video and other was short. But I decided as I have to go viral in very less amount of time, the short will be perfect option for me. So yes, what I did is, when I created my first short and uploaded on this YouTube channel, it gained nearly about 100 to 200 views. This was my strategy first of uploading a single shot. But after that I noticed that the short was getting freezed. So what I did is, I decided to upload more than 3 shots a day. Why? In order to just trigger the algorithm and feed the algorithm with our content. Yes, you heard it right. So basically the secret one is all about upload in bulk to signal the algorithm, because it's very easy. So for the first 3 to 4 days, I uploaded 5 high quality shots daily without no excuses and with just volume and consistency. Because the reason was totally clear, because the YouTube algorithms need the fresh signals, and uploading the short in bulk showed that YouTube I was back and serious, and this triggered the test impressions for real. Like, it's not sustainable forever, but this was the bulk push for my day 1, and it was an absolute power move. So yes, you can also follow this. Okay, so this was all about the secret one. So after implementing the secret one, let me show you the results which I got. Okay, so as you can see, these all the views. This is the number of shorts which I published. Like on the first day I published like 2 shorts, because then after that I realized the exact strategy which I have to implement, and then suddenly you can see the spike, right? Like on 28th May I got 1526 views, and just in 29 the views got like literally 3k plus views, isn't it? And then you can see the way I increased the number of shorts uploaded, okay, the views were increasing like a hell for real. And this was the actual growth which I needed to revive my channel, right? Like, I also didn't even thought that it will take less than 1 week to just blow up and get identified by the YouTube algorithm. But yes, this secret really works, and this strategy is really useful. So as you can see, these were the reels which I created. Well, don't worry, in the upcoming like secret 2, I'll also tell you how you can create shorts, high RPM shorts according to your niche. Okay, so this was my first reel which I created. It got over like 280 views, and then second one which I uploaded, it was like 131 views. But after that, when I uploaded the reel in bulk, like more than 3 and all, you can see the views were suddenly increased, and just in 48 hours, like some popped off in 48 hours and some popped off like in even 2-3 days. But yes, as you can see, after just uploading in bulk, the views were like insane, isn't it? Like 1.9k, 1.3k, 1.5k. Like, I still know these are not that much many views, but the channel was whole dead, right? Let me show you this graph too. Like, for last 90 days, you can see this stuff is totally plain. It's totally flatlined. Why? Because this channel was actually dead, but the growth which you can see is of just 7 to 14 days, and you can also achieve this too. So this was the advantage of uploading the shorts in the bulk. Okay, so like for first few weeks, you can say like max to max 2 weeks, you have to keep pushing the algorithm. You have to keep feeding up the algorithm, because all these shorts are like a seed you are sowing in the YouTube soil. You never know which seed will grow in a plant and bear you fruits, right? And yes, consistency really pays off. Okay, consistency really pays off. Still, you can see in last 48 hours the views are like 3011, and the YouTube algorithm and the view structure, it's like a sea wave, you can say. Sometimes it's very much up, sometimes it's very much down, but still you have to stay consistent. Okay, so yes, this was all about the secret one and the results which I got from the secret one. Now let's get up to the secret 2. Okay, now the secret 2 is about creating a perfect shot with high RPM aligned to your niche. As you can see, as my niche was personal finance, these whole shots went viral in just few amount of time. Why? Because it was of high RPM, high search volume, and people clicked on it for many times because they found it really valuable. Just think in this way: whichever shot you're creating, the information which you are providing, will the viewer will pay you at least minimum $5 for it? If yes, then your shot is absolutely right, but if no, then you are lagging with the value. So let me fix you with this. Okay, so for this solution I have created an AI prompt, ChatGPT prompt. Okay, like I don't know from which category your channel is, it can be of any category. You will get this prompt in the description. So in order to create your shot, just copy paste this prompt in this ChatGPT. You will get it in the description. The link is here. I have just hand tailored it. I have created it by my own, and this will help you a lot. Basically, this prompt is for creating a perfect viral short script for your niche. Okay, so as you can see, the first that you have to make it here is insert your niche. And niche is all about the category. You have to just brief about your channel info. Like mine is personal finance. Okay, so let me type it. Mine is all about personal finance. And yes, let's see. I have mentioned each and every step here. Like you have to start your shot with a perfect hook, then the value body, and then the CTA, and the requirements are like each and everything is perfectly, you can see, and the structure is totally optimized. So just create your shot in this way, manner, structure, and you are good to go viral. Mark my words. Okay, so let's try out this prompt. As you can see, the ChatGPT has given me a perfect reel script, right? And you can see the title is totally SEO optimized. He has also given me the visuals. Even though you have to create your shot faceless, you don't have to show your face, no props. I have also solved that problem too. Like he has given the visuals to which you can add. For that you have to go on the Pixel app or Pixels, right? You can follow it from here too. So yes, create your shot in this way and create it in bulk. Like in my upcoming video, I'll show you how you can create this in bulk, and then yes, you're good to go. So basically, grab this prompt from the description. Okay. And if you are someone who don't want to waste plenty of hours time in creating these reels, but still want to go viral on YouTube, so I have a solution for you. I have created 101 plus viral ready to go AI Reels story bundle. Okay, it has 101 plus ready to go viral reels, and I'm damn sure that in 7 days your growth is guaranteed. So in order to access the bundle, you will get the link in the description, and with the bundle I have also given you a growth blueprint in which you will get all the hashtags and all the proper step-by-step way in which you can upload the reels on your Instagram or your YouTube, but the growth is guaranteed. Okay, so if you want to check it out, then I'll leave the link in the description. So just go and check it out, and I am damn sure that your channel will grow with the help of this, and also I will able to contribute at least 1% in your growth, and it will be too much awesome for me. And here is the final secret. And honestly, it's not about algorithms or even about editing. It's all about the mindset, your point of view. Most people give up before they even start. If you have posted anything this week, you're already 99% ahead of the creators. And remember this, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent, clear, and patient. Because The success and the virality doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. If you are still here, that means you're serious. And guess what? We are building a tribe of creators who don't quit. So hit that subscribe button right now and join us, because this is just the beginning. Welcome to Athhexx.